Hey everyone, this is an AMD build. It's got an AMD motherboard, an AMD CPU, and then although I've taken it out, it actually has usually an AMD graphics card. But do you actually need to have an AMD graphics card with an AMD motherboard and CPU? Well, the answer is no. You are free, even with an AMD motherboard and CPU, to go out and buy an NVIDIA or Intel GPU. That's completely fine. And that's because those cards actually connect into your motherboard PCI Express slot. The top one here, which is the fastest one, the X16 one with the full bandwidth, they connect in there, and then if they're powerful cards, they'll also need additional power coming from the PSU. But all of that is standard. You know, the PCI Express slots are governed by various standards and things like that, and the PSU is governed by the ATX 2.0 and 3.0 and 3.1 standards. So actually, yes, even if it's an AMD motherboard, you are completely free to go out and buy an NVIDIA graphics card or Intel graphics card and plug it in. It's completely normal, you're completely allowed to do that. The reason I went with all AMD is just that's what was cheapest at the time, but you're free to go with Intel, Arc or NVIDIA cards too if you would like. And that wraps up this short video. I hope it put your mind at rest. If it did, please click the thumbs up button and please subscribe to see more short videos like this. Thanks for watching.